All right, welcome back. Today we got intake. This is going on the 335i. This is the twin turbo N54, 3-liter inline 6. I want to hear the turbos. I can't hear the turbos right now. So we're going to take that restrictive airbox off, and then we're going to put some cone filters on. Linked in the description below for these. I actually got these from a different company than like ECS tuning that I typically use, or Burger Motorsports, and these things, they were the most affordable set I could get. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright, so first things first, don't mind my mess because I polished the headlight in the video that I just did, and I haven't cleaned this up yet, and this is all polished. So first thing we want to do, you know, my cowl's already off of here. This is all disconnected, so you're going to want to take care of all that first. But then pop your cover off. You can just use a screwdriver to pop these little fellers off. There's two on this side, two on this side. Then you can pull it up, slide it out, take off your stock filter, set them aside. Next, this PCV right here. Get this feller out of the way. Bam. Yeah, I don't think my PCV is working. I got parts for this coming too. So, next, got a little T something on the front here. I'll take that bad boy off. That way you can pull this out. There's two of them. This one just doesn't go on anything though. And then you can wiggle this guy around, squeeze it together, pull it out. There. Another piece you don't need. Now be very careful with this plastic stuff on these BMWs. They tend to break. But over here you have 3 wire looms. They're just on these rubber holders that slide over the intake. So you just pull them up, slide them off. Nothing to it. There. Next, like I said, make sure this is out of the way. Next, you just pull this box up. It's got, it's secured in here with like little rubber dimples. And then, there's 2 back here, but before we get any further, you want to disconnect your hose clamps for your turbo inlets. So loosen that hose clamp up here. There's a hose clamp back here because you want to be able to slide the airbox out of them. Okay, that one's slid out of the way. Pull that up, and then successfully slide your airbox up and out. So now what you're looking at is your inlet tube here and your inlet tube here. So let's check this kit out. Alright, this is my catch can. Alright, so these guys, Modded Euros is where I bought this from. And I'm going to tell you right now, $67.99. So that's exactly why I did it. Looks like they gave me an air freshener, a bunch of paper, hose clamps, tubes, and then the filters themselves. These are just dry filters. So how this works, I don't need these because I'm using new stuff. How this works is this is your intake tube. So it's pretty small, the tube's on the car. So you slide that in there, hook up the hose clamp on that, and then the filter on the other end. Super, super straightforward. Yep. Just like that. And then here, you get to choose, you know, red filter, blue filter, whatever. I just went with the traditional red. Just like that. You can't get any easier than that, guys. You know what I'm saying? Can't get any easier than that. Done deal. Ugh. Loosen them up first, eh? Hey. No instructions needed on this bad boy either. Alright, that one's good. Next, you just slide it into place, man. I know I keep saying it, but you don't get any easier than that. Now this one back here though, it's a little tricky. Because you got all these wires and crap in the way. I wish this intake tube was just a little bit longer on this one. But the stock tube is a little flexible, so you can get it up. Well, so I'm just holding the tube up, the stock tube. Slide this one in there. Okay. Now, I just got done driving this thing. So, I mean, it's hot under the hood here. This is no means a cold air intake. This is just cone filter, more like a hot air intake. And honestly, it came with 2 hose clamps. It didn't need to. Maybe they're to replace these ones, but I'm not gonna. So, yeah, okay. It's all good. All right, guys. Finishing up here with the last one. I mean, this has got to be one of the simplest things I've done. I mean, this is easier than a cold air intake. But, yeah. We'll get this one down here. It is a snug fit, which, that's good. For sure. And we'll tighten up this hose clamp. That's it, guys. Holy crumb. Okay. I'm gonna fire this up. Oh, PCV, guys. Make sure you plug this bad boy back in. Which, yeah, like I said, I got a better PCV valve coming. Alright, here we go. Yeah, just set that in here. They look good. They sound good. I don't know if I can hear them spool though, so we'll go down the road and check that out. All right, guys, it is the next day, and taking a little trip to the bank. And this thing sounds so good. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it on camera, but I'll try. But you can definitely hear the spools now. I don't think you're gonna be able to pick that up on camera, but holy cow, it sounds so good. Very happy with it. Man, and next I just bought my super license for the MHD N54, so I'm gonna start tuning this thing and see how she goes. But man, there was a lot of lights on the dash. I've got every check engine light fixed, the adaptive headlights, the parking lamps, all that garbage. TPMS, I didn't fix the TPMS. I coated out the TPMS and then unplugged the module in the back in the trunk. So yeah, I don't need that in this car. But oh, and X-Delete. I'm gonna mess around with X-Delete as well and shut the all-wheel drive off. But anyway, hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.